Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make eggs butter. First, let's get our ingredients ready. You'll need 2 to 3 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter, and a pinch of salt and pepper. For an even creamier texture, you can also add about 1/2 tablespoon of milk or cream per egg. Make sure you have a good non-stick skillet, roughly 8 to 10 inches, and a flexible rubber spatula on hand. Having everything prepared beforehand makes the cooking process much easier. Now let's prepare the eggs. Crack your eggs into a medium-sized bowl, being careful not to get any shell fragments in the mixture. Using a fork or whisk, beat the eggs until the yolks and whites are completely combined and the mixture looks uniform and slightly frothy. You don't want to over-whisk, just ensure there are no streaks. For extra richness, chop 2 tablespoons of cold butter into small cubes and gently fold them into the egg mixture. It's time to cook. Place your non-stick skillet over medium-low heat and add the remaining 1 tablespoon of butter. Let it melt until it's bubbly and coats the entire pan. Once the butter is ready, pour your whisked egg mixture into the center of the pan. Allow the eggs to cook for about 5 to 10 seconds without stirring, just until the edges start to set. Then, using your rubber spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center, letting the liquid egg flow into the empty spaces. Keep cooking the eggs with gentle, slow strokes, pushing and folding them until they form soft, creamy curds. The key is to avoid frantic stirring, which can lead to dry, crumbly eggs. Remove the pan from the heat when the eggs are still slightly moist and shiny, as they will continue to cook from residual heat. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Finally, season your delicious buttery, scrambled eggs with salt and pepper to your liking, and serve them immediately for the best taste and texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.